Hello and greetings once again from Japan. It's May the 1st, 2021, and today we have a 2007 March Mitsubishi Delica D5, the CV5W, with the four-wheel drive. It's a 2.4 petrol. It's a grade 4.5, grade 4, grade 4B. And yeah, very clean. If I remember rightly, it's a one-owner car. Just very nice. The mileage is 69,000 miles, which equates to 111,000 kilometers. And this one's in kind of beige gold color. And let's have a look at it. It's nice, clean on all four corners. It's got the factory 18-inch alloy wheels with good radial tires, and nice and clean down the sides. It's a little windy, so you might get some wind sound. Suddenly it wasn't windy 5 minutes ago. Okay, another 18-inch wheel. Again, clean on the corner. It's got mud flaps. It's also, the previous owners put on a nice tow bar. Useful for towing caravans or whatever else you might have. Also has the dealer option rear spoiler. This is the premium model, so it has most of the kind of nice little options such as power doors, etc. It's got power slide doors and power rear gate. Again, nice and clean. The D5. Okay. For more details, please refer to the Dropbox link with has about 60 photographs, including good photographs of the whole of the chassis, which on this car is very clean indeed. I think this car was a Tokyo car, so it's probably never been much out on the winter roads or anything. The winker mirrors retract and open as you unlock the car. It's a convenient little feature. Again, a 2007 four-wheel drive D5. Okay. It has the auto-retracting guidance pole too, which is useful, and it extends only when the ignition is on. Automatically retracts. Clean HID-AFS lights. And this one has the additional extended front bumper, which enhances the looks, I think, and also has larger fog lights than the typical factory ones. Okay. Good clean grille. Front camera. This one has a rear camera as well, and also has side cameras. Again, being the premium model, it has a lot of the options not found on some of the models. Okay, so if we open it up, you can see the mirrors opening. Now this one also has, if it is locked, then it has the you don't have to. The key can be in your coat pocket. You just have to touch the handle. Nice clean driver seat. All the seats have seat covers, which, as you can see, are in very nice condition. So the original seats are beige and they're underneath, they're cloth, and I presume they've never been used. So if you prefer beige cloth, you can have it. And additionally, we have a weakness on this model is the sponge, the driver's seat sponge, and it tends to disintegrate right there. And so what we do on pretty much, I don't know the percentage, but more than half for sure, we replace the sponge with a brand new sponge from Mitsubishi. It's just much nicer to do that. We feel it's worth the expense and time. It takes quite a bit of time to change it. Nice clean carpets. Okay, and we get, close the door, and let's start it up. Just with a twist of the ignition. Okay. Showing 111,000 kilometers, 69,000 miles. Okay. What options do we have in here? As I mentioned earlier, it has all the cameras. It has the rear and side camera, as you can see. When you put it into drive, it also has front and side cameras. So it's has cameras all around pretty much. The glove box. Nothing real problem there. All the driver manuals in Japanese. So you have to and nice clean headlinings. Rear flip down monitor with remotes, and it also has controls for the air conditioning and heating on the roof back there as well. Very clean headlining. Cup holder. Controls for the air conditioning, which is not on and it's a little bit hot. And there's the controls for the diff lock, four-wheel drive. And there's your four-wheel drive. Back to two-wheel drive. And then you've got controls on your steering wheel for the audio, hands-free, and cruise control. Nice, clean leather steering wheel. And then you've got controls down here for the rear power gate and the AFC if you want to turn that off, and the power slide doors. And of course all the windows work. The driver mirrors window is automatic. It's got shift control if you like paddle shifts, and also, as you can hear in the background, it's got Rockford Fosgate audio system, which is a nice option to give you premium sound. And I think that's it, pretty much. Little tweeter speakers in the door pillars. If you're looking for the premium model, this is it. We don't get so many premiums. Most of them are the G edition, or whatever it's called, G package, I think it's called. Okay. Let's check the sliding doors. Here's your driver door card. Nice and clean. Okay, arms unlocked. So let's try the power rear gate. I think the battery is weak on this. I think the battery is weak on this remote. Getting the impression. this is not reacting so well. Anyway, we'll change the battery. We'll change the battery on it. It appears to be a little weak. Don't know. Anyway, everything works. It's kind of a strange design, the way they've got the buttons on the take a look in the back. And it also has a button here closing the rear gate. The main battery of the car is a little weak. This is possibly. And then the engine. That's clean engine. It has all the window visors. This one, can't see it, but the rear grab handles on the third seats were removed. Which not happens. We've for some reason people remove them. I think they put their own handles on. So anyway, these are brand new ones which will be fitted. Right now we're on holiday, so all the guys are not working, so they'll be replacing those when they come back. As you can see, this is a grade 4B, about as clean as you get for this age. It's Heisei 19, so that translates to 2007 March. It's a CV5W 2.4 petrol G Premium, which is the top of the range for this model. 4-wheel drive. Power assisted doors. It just says slide doors. It doesn't mention, they don't bother to mention everything. It's kind of sensible. Kind of a waste of time otherwise. 111,000 kilometers. Beige color, kind of a beigey gold. And it mentions, the auction mentions practically nothing, just the handles a little bit worn, the interior is a little bit scratched. Yeah, just very common garden little things. Mentions a very slight chip on the windscreen, which it's practically invisible. And the rear wiper was missing, so they had removed it. Again, fairly common thing people do. They don't seem to like them. Anyway, we've replaced it with a proper one. That's it. As I say, just a proper grade 4 premium model. Nice clean carpets. We didn't actually look in the back, did we? Let's take a look from this angle. You can see carpets, very clean. Seats are clean. Seats fold up very nicely. Yeah, all the seats fold up. It's a very nice configuration. And you can see the bottom fob also folds up to give you a lot of space. Okay. it. Again, 2007 March, 69,000 miles, grade 4B, G Premium. Nice upper clean. It's getting a little windy. Anyway, bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.